Hi, my name is Morgan Ray. I teach 9th grade physical science at McDonogh 35. And I am taking to school they are carts that have sensors in them that track force and position and time. And I am using them with my students to give some real world examples of Newton's laws and practice with some graphing and mathematical representations.
Cool. So we are getting the Vernier Dynamics kit with the works. So we've got the blue cart and the yellow cart. We've got all the accessories. There's a whole bunch more accessories. Oh my gosh. But we're just getting the ones that we need for today. And we're gonna use this one track and send the data out to every single student electronically. It's gonna be awesome. I'm excited.
Yay!
Yay!